Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the pit tendon reflexes, also called osteotendinosos or myotactic reflexes. These reflexes are automatic and involuntary response that happen when a tendon is taped, causing the muscle to contract. They are used to evaluate the function system, especially the spinal reflex and the muscle tone.
The deep tendon reflex works like this. When the tendon of a muscle is struck, the muscle is quickly stretched, activating special receptors called muscle spindles. These receptors send a sensory signal to the spinal cord through an afferent neuron. There it connects directly with a motor neuron, which sends a command back to the same muscle, making it contract. This fast process is called a monosynaptic reflex because it involves only one synapse.
Main reflex and spinal roots. There are several important deep tendon reflexes tested in clinical practice. Biceps reflex C5, C6 produce elbow flexion. Brachioradial reflex C5, C6 cause elbow flexion and slight supination of the forearm. Triceps reflex C6, C7 produce elbow extension. Patellar reflex L2, L4 produce knee extension. Achilles reflex L1, S2 produce plantar flexion of the foot. Each of these reflexes helps identify possible nerve or spinal cord injuries depending on the response.
When we access reflexes, we can find different responses. Normal reflexia, normal reaction. Hyperreflexia or areflexia, decreased or absent responsive, suggesting lower motor neuron or peripheral nerve damage. Hyperreflexia, exaggerated responsive, which indicates upper motor neuron or pyramidal tract lesion. In summary, depth tendon reflexes are simple but very valuable tools to evaluate the integrity or the nervous system.